Smart Views. This tutorial will demonstrate each of the Smart View types. You can access Smart View page by clicking on the Grade Center, Full Grade Center, hover over Manage, click on Smart Views, then create a Smart View. Go ahead and give the Smart View a name. We're going to go ahead and a description is optional, but it's a good place to define the purpose of the view. And click the button next to the course groups. In the select criteria, from the drop-down, just you have group, just leave it at that. Equal to or not equal to. Choose group from the value drop-down box. You can choose multiplier if you prefer. In the filter results area, choose all columns if you want to display all columns to users, all columns to hidden users, and so on. If I wanted to monitor a group assignment only as the area in which the groups will interact, I would choose select the columns only and then select a group assignment. When finished, click Submit. Performance Smart Views. Performance Smart Views allows the instructor to select students based on performance. As we're still here in the Create Smart View, click on Create Smart View, give it a name. Under Type of View, select Performance, click Choice List under the user criteria, and select the assignment. Choose the condition. In this case, we'll choose less than equal to, and enter a value. Please note that it must be the same format as indicated next to the column name. We want to know who achieved 75% or less, so I must know the value of the column. This quiz is set to 50 points, so 75 would be a score of 37.5. Choose the columns you want to display in the filter area. You may wish to show all the columns because if the student is doing poorly on the quiz, you may want to see how he or she is doing on the remainder of the assignments. Click Submit. User Smart View. User Smart View allows instructors to view individual students' grades. If a student wishes to view the grades with you, you can quickly add a Smart View for that student so he or she can see their grades without seeing other students' grades. What you do is click on Create Smart View, enter in that student's name, scroll down, click on User for View Individual Users, select that student, and select any type of columns or all columns to show what that student's grade is. Click Submit, click on the student's name, and in the Grade Center, that is the only student you'll be viewing. Category Status. Category and Status Smart Views allow the instructor to view the grade columns based on created categories and a selected grading status. In the Grade Center, go over to Manage, down to Smart Views. At Smart Views, click on Create Smart View. Fill in a title or a name for it. Scroll down, click on Category and Status, and provide a view that shows assignments that still needs grading. Do is click on in categories, select assignment. Make sure you click on all users, and in the filter results, click on needs grading. Click Submit. If we go into the Smart View example we just created, you will see the only assignments that will need grading. Custom Smart View. As an example, let's say you want to view students who have not done well on a specific assignment and have not accessed the shell since a specific day or number of days. Choose Grade on iMovie Basics 1 attempt. Under Condition, choose less than or equal to. In value, add 60% since any greater below that would be failing. Click Add User Criteria to add your second criteria. Under User Criteria, choose Grade on Attendance. Under Condition, choose Less Than and enter a value of 80%. To edit the formula, check Manually Edit button. You'll be able to change "and" to "or" so that the report will include students who did either. Choose the columns you want to display in the Filter Results area, and then click Submit. Using Smart Views in the Grade Center. Once Smart Views are created, they can easily be used in the Grade Center to view data in various ways. Anytime a Smart View is created, it is added to the current View Choice list. This menu is normally hidden, but by clicking on the Filter button, the menu will appear across the Grade Center page. Simply hover over the menu, choose Smart View. For this example, we'll view the single student view. Now the student and their attributes are the only things seen in the Grade Center. The filter that was used to display the Grade Center columns was the group assignment. At any time you have a Smart View selected, you can choose to set it as a default by clicking on Set as Default. This means each time you access this page, it will open to this view. If you wish to switch back to the Grade Center, then click Set as Default again, and it will be set as default.